In a historic moment, leaders from every nation gather to sign the Global Unity Accord, marking the birth of a united world. This symbolic event, held in a grand hall adorned with flags of all nations, signifies the end of division and the beginning of global cooperation. The glowing globe at the center of the hall represents the shared vision of peace and prosperity. This accord lays the foundation for a new era, where humanity works together towards common goals, leaving behind centuries of conflict. Following the accord, a new global capital city is established, designed to embody the diversity and unity of all cultures. This futuristic cityscape blends architectural styles from every corner of the world, creating a harmonious fusion of traditions. Bustling streets are filled with people of diverse backgrounds, symbolizing the seamless integration of humanity. The city becomes a beacon of innovation and collaboration, serving as the administrative and cultural heart of the united world. A universal education system is implemented to teach a shared history and values alongside local cultures. Classrooms are filled with students from various ethnic backgrounds, learning from holographic displays that showcase global history. This initiative fosters a sense of global citizenship, encouraging mutual understanding and respect. By combining cultural preservation with universal knowledge, the education system becomes a cornerstone of the united world's identity. To facilitate global communication, a universal language is adopted alongside local languages. People from different countries converse effortlessly, with subtitles providing translations in their native tongues. This linguistic unity bridges gaps, enabling seamless collaboration in science, arts, and diplomacy. The universal language movement not only enhances global interaction, but also strengthens the sense of belonging to a single human family. A unified global currency and economic system are introduced to ensure equal opportunities and reduce disparities. A bustling global marketplace emerges, where goods from all over the world are traded under a single currency. This economic integration fosters balanced growth, lifting communities out of poverty and creating a shared prosperity. The global economy becomes a testament to the power of unity, where resources are distributed equitably for the benefit of all. With economic stability achieved, the united world focuses on combating climate change and restoring the planet's ecosystems. Massive reforestation projects, renewable energy farms, and thriving natural landscapes become the norm. Collective efforts lead to a significant reduction in carbon emissions and the revival of endangered species. This environmental renaissance demonstrates humanity's commitment to preserving the Earth for future generations. A universal healthcare system is established, ensuring access to medical care for all, regardless of location. Advanced medical facilities are built in every region, staffed by doctors and researchers from diverse backgrounds. Collaboration leads to breakthroughs in treating diseases and improving life expectancy. The global health network becomes a symbol of humanity's shared commitment to well-being and equality. Annual global festivals celebrate the diversity of cultures, arts, and traditions from every corner of the world. Vibrant parades, performances, and food stalls showcase the richness of human heritage. These festivals reinforce unity by fostering mutual appreciation and understanding. The cultural exchange becomes a cherished tradition, reminding humanity of the beauty in its diversity and the strength in its unity. A united world embarks on ambitious space exploration missions, representing humanity as a single entity. Rockets launch into space with the global flag, and astronauts from various nations work together in zero gravity. These missions push the boundaries of science and discovery, inspiring future generations. Space exploration becomes a shared endeavor, symbolizing humanity's limitless potential when united. Future generations reflect on the success of a united world, living in peace and prosperity. Families from diverse backgrounds look at holographic timelines of global unity while children play in a harmonious world. The legacy of unity is a testament to humanity's ability to overcome division and build a brighter future. This enduring harmony serves as a reminder of the power of cooperation and shared vision.